Hello friends, so we will be discussing today on data engineering in Microsoft Azure. So this is a high level diagram of Azure, analytics solutions, right? At Azure Data Engineering Solutions. So this diagram is displaying the flow from left to right. So here we can see that we have one layer of operational data, right? So this operational data is actually generated by your applications. Suppose you have an application, right? And if some transaction is happening from that application, so some sorts of data is also getting generated, and those are stored into the relational database, or maybe it could be stored in the Cosmos database, or in Dataverse, or many other databases. And here you can see that there is a streaming data also that is getting stored on Azure's Events Hub. So maybe the data is coming from some IoT devices, right? And those are getting stored. So the thing is that operational data sources can actually store data from various applications and various systems. So as a data engineer, you are getting facility to integrate all this data, right, at one place, and then on top of that you can do some kind of transformation and prepare the data ready for doing analytics, right? So if you see here that Azure Synapse Analytics um, providing lots of services, like it is providing Azure Data Lake Gen 2 storage. So what Azure Data Lake Gen 2 storage will be doing, like you can ingest data in Azure Data Lake Storage Gen 2. So suppose your application is generating comma separated CSV files, right? So you can store those files in Azure Data Lake Storage. Similarly, if another application is emitting some JSON file, that also you can store in Data Lake Storage, right? So s- getting receiving the data from the operational data, right, to the data lake storage can be done by using ingestion process, where you are creating a pipeline, and that pipeline will be configured, right, to retrieve the data from the operational system to the Azure Analytics workspace, right? And also suppose if you want to bring the data from Azure Events Hub, then Azure Synapse Analytics provide you Azure Stream Analytics. Using that also you can store data in data lake storage. So you can store your data in data lake storage in the raw format, whatever is the format of the data in operational data source. The same data will be stored in Azure Data Lake storage, right? It also provides some Azure Data Factory and Azure Data Bricks, right? So once your data is actually ingested into the data lake storage, you can do some kind of transformation, right? And you can execute serverless SQL queries, right? And then load the data into the data warehouse, right? From where this uh, data from the data warehouse, your analytics team can actually create some kind of reporting, or maybe you can prepare some kind of learning projects also. So this is the overall flow. Thank you for, uh, thank you for watching.